Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
We're still here in South Korea and currently nandito tayo ngayon sa Starbucks dahil tayo ay
My free coupon from our client, Ma'am Camille. Thank you.
thank you so much, ma'am. Client natin si Ma'am Camille sa Minami Residences and working siya dito sa South Korea. Kaya lang hindi nakapag-meet ngayon kasi siya ay nasa ibang bansa din. So, shout out Ma'am Camille and to
Thank you
your
so much,
mommy.
ma'am.
Thank you so much
Yeah.
po sa
Thank
inyong
you, thank
pakape
you.
and
Here.
pa-dessert.
Yes.
So, we have here Earl Grey tea and
Cafe mocha.
yan, cafe mocha ang order ni hubby. And our dessert, blueberry cake. And the best part, we're here overlooking sa Dongdaemun Design Plaza. Ang ganda ng aming view tonight. Maraming salamat, ma'am, ulit.
Thank you, ma'am.
God
God
bless.
bless.